Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Plaid to your Fintech app for bank data access, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Plaid to your Fintech app for bank data access, start by creating a Plaid account on their website. After signing up, log into your Plaid dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Integrations section. Here, you will find various API keys that you will need to implement Plaid in your application. Copy your client ID and secret key, as you'll need these for your app's backend. Next, choose the appropriate API product based on the financial data you want to access. Plaid offers several products, such as auth, transactions, identity, and investments. Familiarize yourself with the documentation for the selected product to understand its features and requirements. Now, integrate the Plaid SDK into your app. You can use a React, Vue, or native app SDK depending on your platform. Follow the installation instructions provided in the Plaid documentation. Once the SDK is integrated, create a link token. This token is necessary for generating the Plaid link interface. To generate the link token, make a request to the /link/token/create endpoint of the Plaid API. Ensure you include your client ID, secret, and desired user data in the request. Upon a successful request, the API returns a link token. With the link token in hand, implement the Plaid link interface in your app. This interface allows users to securely connect their bank accounts. You can customize the look and feel to match your app's design. When a user completes the flow, Plaid will provide you with a public token. This token enables you to exchange for an access token through the endpoint/item/public_token/exchange. Make a request here with the public token to receive the access token. Store this access token securely, as it will be used for future API calls. Now, you can begin making requests to access bank data using the Plaid API. This includes retrieving transactions, balances, and account information. Be sure to handle errors and edge cases properly. Test your implementation thoroughly to ensure a smooth user experience. Once everything is working, you can move forward with deployment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.